Let's understand this thing and solve. So a convex lens converges light rays to a point. Is it true or false?
True.
Okay, true. Please do let me know the answer by everyone. What happened, everyone? Harshit, Gianna, Galvin, Ibad, and Ayan.
True, sir.
True. Okay, next is basic. Okay, next is the reason is saying that the convex lens is thicker at the center and then at the edges. So is it true or false?
Reason is true.
It's true. Okay. So please do let me know which option should be correct. Both are right. It
Option
means
A.
that
A,
either A or B. In the chat.
A,
In the chat. Whenever we are in the class, you have to answer in the chat so that I can get the idea who is because when you are basically saying orally, so I won't be able to understand who is basically telling me the answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Obviously, A option, right? So the A option is the correct one. Is this clear to all of you? Please do let me know. Yeah, that's good, everyone. That's good. Okay. So it means that when a convex lens is a converging lens, okay, and it's basically it is like this. It is thicker at the center, but at the you can say edges, it is thinner. Okay. Next question. A concave lens always forms a virtual image. Reason is a concave lens diverges light rays. Please do let me know if it's correct or not. Which option is basically satisfying it? A, B, or C? Okay, I got the first answer by Gian. Acha, okay, everyone, please mention 1A, 2A along with the question number because if you write it just the number, the option, so I won't be able to recognize that which option. Yes, that's right. Yeah, Abhibad has written very well. Chicken, chicken. Okay, Maha. Okay, Galvin. Yeah. Okay, Gianna. Okay, Gianna. Chicken. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Ayan. Chicken. So the correct option is A. Why? Because a concave lens always produce a virtual image because there are only two cases in the concave lens, and because the concave lens diverges the ray, so that's why we extend them in the backward direction just to see whether they are intersecting or not. So obviously, if you're extending, so that would be a virtual image. Okay, so option A is correct. Ayan, you made a mistake. Option reason is also correct. Concave lens diverges the light rays, right? Please do let me know the third one. Which option is correct? Okay. Okay, Harshit. Okay, Ibad. Okay, Gianna. Maha. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Chalo, okay, let me tell you. Check it. There you go. A plane mirror always form erect image. So this is true. Why? Faizan is also there. Why? Because when you stand in front of a plane mirror, the mirror that we use in our home is basically a plane mirror, na? When we basically stand in front of the mirror, that is a plane mirror. Yes or no, everyone? The mirror that we use for the dressing, in the dressing and in the basically in the washrooms. All right. So that is a plane mirror. So it always form erect images. The image formed by the plane mirror is always real. No, they go both. In the first sentence, it is saying erect image. In the second sentence, it is saying always real. No, only option A, basically assertion is right, but the reason is not. So option C is correct. Am I clear to all of you? Please do let me know, everyone. Hello,
Yes.
Faizan.
yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Faizan, please switch on your video. Faizan, I've just
Sir,
started the class and yes, Faizan, you were saying something?
I'm using my PC, so I
Acha,
cannot turn it
PC.
on.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. So okay, कोई बात नहीं. So I'm saying that Fazan, I've just started the class and we have done 3 questions, assertion reason questions for the light chapter. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. So in this class, we're basically solving the assertion reason question. Next is the other. Basically, the fourth question is saying that the focal length of a concave mirror is negative. The focal length of concave mirror lies in front of the mirror. Please do let me know the correct option, everyone. Along with the question number, write 4A, 4B, 4C, or 4D, depending on the correct option according to you. Because if you write just the correct options, I won't be able to like identify which option, which question you are basically giving reference. Okay, one I got the answer by Harshit Maha. Okay, 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 Bad, okay, Ayan, Pezan, Gianna, and Galvin. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Harshit. Harshit, fourth one. Abhi, right now we're discussing fourth. We will okay sequentially, because if you just tell me right now, won't be. I will think that again that you have to answer. Okay, one by one. Okay. Okay. Faizan, any answer?
One second.
Yeah. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, Faizan, write also write the question number along with the options. Okay. From now
Okay.
onwards, also write the question number. Now let's discuss the focal length of a concave mirror is negative. So I have told you one trick. Convex means positive, both mirror and lens. Concave means negative, both mirror and lens, right? It means that the question is saying that the focal length of a concave mirror is negative. So that is true. Got it, everyone? If we talk about the reason is saying that the focal length of a concave mirror lies in front of the mirror. Obviously, it would be it is lying in front of the mirror. That's how it is negative, because we measure from the pole. So we are going in the opposite direction of light. So that's why it would be negative, everyone. So this is the reason. So option A is correct. Those who said option A is right. Okay. Galvin said C. Faizan said D. And Harshit said D. No, Harshit, that's not D. A is not false. A is also true. R is also true. And basically, that is the reason. That's why the focal length is negative. Am I clear to all of you? Please do let me know.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, jaldi se, fifth one. Fifth one. Okay. Okay, Ayan. Harshit already said the answer. That is Cheek Harshit. Okay, Maha. Okay, Ayan. Ibad, Fezan, Gianna, Galvin. Gianna, are you there, bache? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please answer. So you can only solve the assertion and reason when you will read the theory properly, because assertion reason are basically created from the theory itself. Okay. So that's why it's a very humble request to all of you. Please also give priority to theory as well, along with the numericals. Right? Okay, Gianna. Okay, Fezan. Okay, Galvin. Okay, let's discuss. A concave mirror is used as a reflector in headlights of a vehicle. Yes, this is assertion is right. Concave mirror, a concave mirror, it means that it is a kind of concave shape thing, right? That we used to basically as a reflector in the headlight of vehicle, in torch, in searchlights. The reason and the because the concave mirror produce the parallel beam of light when the source of light is basically placed near the focus or at the focus. That is the reason. So option A is right. Those who said option A are right. Galvin, no option A. Gianna, no option C. B, no about option A. Okay, Ayan and Harshit and Maha. These three said A, so they are right. Clear, everyone? This is
Yes.
also like I have basically given you the explanation in the uses of concave mirror. That why do we use the concave mirror as a reflector? Because it produces a parallel beam of light when when a source of light is placed at the focus. Am I clear to all of you? Gianna, Faizan, Harshit, Ayan, Maha, Galvin,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ibad? Clear, Ibad?
Yes, sir.
But try to think a little bit
Yes.
before answering. Okay? Clear? ठीक है. चलो. Next question. So I hope everyone is getting my point, right? So that's how you have to read each and like single word in the assertion reason, because this is related to the theory. Okay, Ayan, six next word. The image formed by the convex mirror is always smaller than the object. The convex mirror diameter. Please do let me know the correct option, बच्चों. C. Okay, Ayan said ठीक है. Okay, Maha. Anyone left to answer? So the answer is A, not B. Correct explanation, it is a correct explanation, because when it will be diverging, so it will be covering a more area. It means that because how you can basically fit all the things in a very small space by basically making them smaller, right? So if you want to basically take a larger or a wider view, it means that you have the image, or you can say the object should be small in that, you can say, image, right? So that's why the convex mirror diverges the incident mirror. That's why we are able to see a larger image, and basically the images. So basically, you can say the objects are smaller than the actual objects. Clear? That is the correct explanation. So both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation. It seems like
Sir,
everybody
why?
forgot. Ha, Harshit, yes.
Sir, could you please explain it again? This question, there should be like not the reason of the.
I didn't get the word. Could you please repeat, Harshit?
Sir, I'm saying that could you please explain this question again? Why the option is A?
Why it is option A? You are saying this?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. देखो. This is a convex mirror. This is a plane mirror. Light ray will strike this. It will get diverged, right? So as you can see, this thing, the area covered is like this, right? This is a plane mirror. It will get basically reflect. So the area covered in this image would be this. So as you can see, this thing, Harshit, that this is a large area covered by the convex mirror
Yes, sir.
as compared to plane mirror. So as you can see,
Yes.
and one more thing is that if you want to basically see a larger view, right? So how you can see this thing? The images should be small. If you basically place all the things with with the actual size, suppose that if you talk about the plane mirror, if you basically place all the things with the actual size in this, so all the images will be overlapping. So we'll not be able to understand which car is approaching you, which bike is approaching you with what speed, right? So that's why these image formed are very small than the actual object, right? And basically, as you can see, this is a property of the convex mirror, that the light ray will basically diverges by the convex mirror, because it is a diverging surface. It is basically spreading out the rays. Clear? Please check out the image
Yes.
formation of the convex mirror. We have done this thing in the notes. Please check out that how the images form. You will see this thing that the rays are diverging. So that's how it is the correct explanation. Am I clear to all of you?
Oh, yes, sir. Clear now.
ठीक है. Maha, Faizan, Gianna, Ayan, Harshit,
Yes,
Galvin,
sir.
Ibad.
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, that's great. Next one. The focal length of a convex lens is always positive. The convex lens is also called as converging lens. Okay. Okay. Fast, everyone. Only one answer by Maha. Okay, Gianna. Okay, Bad. Okay, Harshit. Ibad. अच्छा Ibad always. ठीक है Ibad. You got it. ठीक है. Okay, Yan. Fezan. Galvin. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Fezan. ठीक है. चलो, I got the answer. The focal length of a convex lens is always positive. I've told you that the convex lens means positive. Whenever the word convex means, the focal length would be positive for both mirror and lens. So the assertion is true. Convex lens is also called as converging lens. So it is also true. How it is the correct explanation? Because everyone see this thing. This is lens. Light rays are basically coming like this. So they're basically focusing at the primary focus because due to the converging nature, right? So it means that option A is the correct option. Am I clear to all of you? Please do let me know.
Yes.
Check it. Chalo, that's great. Eighth one. Light travels slower in glass than in air. The refractive index of glass is greater than that of air. Which option is basically satisfying it? Please do let me know, everyone. Okay. Okay, Gianna. Okay, Harshit, Maha. What a- Just a second. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Ayan. Fezan, what's your answer? Fezan, please answer. Okay, Bad. Okay, Fezan. Check. Option A will be correct. The main reason for the refraction of light is the reason because that light speed of light changes in every medium. When light goes from one medium to another medium, so it changes. It means that the density increases, or you can see this thing, the refractive index of glass is greater than that of air. That's why the light will travel slower than in air. Clear, everyone? Option A is correct. In the notes, there is a line written there. Higher the refractive index, slower will be the speed in that medium. How many of you have basically revised that line? How many of you are able to recall it? Okay, Maha got it. That's why revising notes is very, very important, everyone. Every single line is written that you need to basically answer all the questions. The thing is that you just have to revise it. Clear, everyone? Those who said B or D, this is a little bit, you can say, okay, Galvin said C. How, Galvin? You took all the classes with me of the light chapter. How you could say C option? Please revise, Galvin. It's time to revise, bache. Okay. Next one, ninth question. A convex mirror always form a virtual image. The focal length of so it's very similar. So it's also A option, right? So we'll not be doing this thing. Not any. The focal length of a mirror is positive. No, positive but it's not the correct explanation. B होगा इसका आंसर because mirror and sorry focal length and image से कोई relation नहीं बैठ रहा है. So that's why it's not the correct explanation. So similar the image form. हाँ ये वाले बताओ जरा मुझे. Option 10. Sorry, question 10. Okay, Okay, Harshit. Okay, Galvin. Okay. Okay, Maha. Okay. Okay, Bad. Okay, Bad. Gianna, what's your answer? Fazan, do you have any internet issue? Anyone left to answer? Please do let me know, everyone. Harshit, what's the answer? Have you given the answer?
Yes, sir.
Cheek. Let's understand. The image formed by a plane mirror is literally it always literally inverted. Yeah, assertion is right, because when we stand in front of a mirror, the right appears to be left and left appears to be right. This is the property of a plane mirror. This specific line and the definition is written in the notes as well. Right? Next thing, reason. The image formed by the plane mirror is real and inverted. So that's false, because the image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and erect. So option C is the correct one. A is true, but R is false. Am I clear to all of you? Those who said A, Galvin, Ibad, and Harshit, that's wrong. How is it
Sir, I said
possible?
B.
Huh?
I said B.
B. You said B, but B is not correct, Harshit. The image formed by the plane mirror is virtual and erect. It is not real and inverted.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Bad, got it? Chalo, guys.
Yes.
Next one. 11th question. The refractive index of water is higher than that of air. The light bent towards the normal when it enters a denser medium. Okay, Gianna. Okay, Maha. Okay, Bad. Okay, Ayan. Okay, Galvin. Harshit, answer.
Sir, I've done it.
Achha, you have given it. Check it. Anyone left to answer? Faizan? Please answer, Galvin. So Galvin already said. Check it, Faizan. Okay. Okay, the refractive index of water is higher than that of air. Obviously, water is more denser than air. And next thing is that light bend towards the normal when it enters a denser medium. Yeah, so that is option A is right, because light travels when the light goes from one medium to another medium, and if the light goes from rarer to denser, so it will bend towards the normal due to the high refractive index. Am I clear to all of you? Okay.
But sir, it is why it is not the reason for the A.
Is not the reason for the A. Harshit,
Yes, yes,
देखो,
sir.
how it is not? If you're talking about the refractive index, it means that the light bending is already involved in it. Got it? Because
Okay.
देखो, assertion and reason looks like very easy, but we have to think all the consequences, all the options, or you can say outcomes of this. If the question is saying refractive index, it's higher than that of air. Obviously, it's higher than that of air, and light bent towards the normal. If the because denser medium has higher refractive index, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why.
Okay.
Next one, everyone, just say concave mirror forms a real image when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature. The image is inverted and smaller than the object. ठीक है Galvin. Okay, Gianna. Okay, Maha. Fast Ayan, Harshit, Ibad, and Faizan. ठीक है
Sir, I've
Faizan.
given.
अच्छा ठीक है हर्षित. Okay, good. Anyone left to answer? Okay, Faizan. Ibad, have you given the answer? Please give the answer, Faizan. Ibad. Which option is correct?
So 1 second, I will come.
Okay, check it. Ibad. Check it. So let's see. A concave mirror forms a real image when the object is basically placed beyond a center of curvature. Yeah, assertion is right. Because when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature, the image formed is real, basically real image. The image is inverted and smaller than the object. That is also true, but that is not basically the correct explanation for this, because it's not saying that anything related to the inverted image. It's only just giving the two statements, but they are independent statements. So both are right, but it is not the correct explanation. Am I right? Am I clear to all of you? Okay, Faizan, Ibad said B. Ayan said A. Maha, how did you say C?
So because
Gal-
the image is
Mhm.
converted smaller than image is not connected to the assertion, so I was like, oh, it might be
No,
false.
no, 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 no. At first we think that whether it's true or not. Instead of basically connecting them, the first thing that we do is that sometimes assertion and reason both are independent sentences. There is no right like this, but the image is inverted because whenever the object is placed beyond C, it is inverted in nature and it is smaller. Clear? So they both are independent, they are not connected to each other. That's why both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Am I clear to all of you, Galvin, Gianna, Ayan, Harshit, Ibad, and Faizan?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's
Yes.
clear. Next one. The power of a lens is inversely proportional to its focal length. The focal length of a convex lens is positive. Fast. That's very simple. Okay, Maha. Okay, Ayan. Okay. Okay, Ayan left. Gianna, Harshit, Ibad, Faizan. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Galvin. Okay, that's good. Okay. Take it. Faizan, have you given the answer? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The power of a lens is inversely proportional to its focal length. Yeah, power is basically is equals to 1 by f. So both are inversely proportional to each other. Reason is saying that the focal length of a convex lens is positive. Yeah, focal length of a convex lens is positive, but they are not related to each other. Both are independent statements. Are they related to each other? No, na? So it means that it is B. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation for the A. Clear, everyone? I think some said C, no one said C. Okay, A and B. Okay, bro, it's not A, because the power is basically 1 by F, is directly proportional to 1 by, inversely proportional to 1 by F, and focal length of convex lens is positive. How they are related to each other, or basically the explanation for the power, right? So that is not the case. See, it could be possible, like the correct explanation would be if the statement says that the power of the convex lens is positive because the focal length is positive. So that's how we can think a little bit for this outcome. Please do let me know the next one, 14th. A convex lens forms a virtual enlargement when the object is placed between the lens and its focal length. A convex lens always converges parallel rays of light to a single point. Okay, Maha. Okay, Faizan. Okay, Harshit. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Gianna. What's your answer, Ibad? This is our second class for the human, just a second. Okay, Ibad. Okay. Here you go. 14th question. Let's see what it is saying. A convex lens forms a virtual image when the object is placed between the lens and focal length. So that is true. A convex lens always converges parallel light rays to a single point. That is also true, but that is not making a sense of the explanation for the assertion. So that's why option B would be right. Okay? That is not option A because both are different things. Question is saying that it is producing a virtual and enlarged image. The second reason is basically saying that the basically converges the parallel light rays. So that is not basically connecting to each other. So that's why the explanation is not there for the assertion, but they both are true. Am I clear to all of you? Is there anyone who is having doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. So in the next class, everyone, we'll be doing the human eye, and in the next class we'll be completing the human eye itself. Okay. So your assertion reason type questions and the we will try to do the human eye assertion reason as well in the next class. But before that, I will complete the human eye chapter first in the revision, and then we will do the assertion reason in the remaining time. Okay. 15th one, everyone. Okay, I got the first answer by Harshit. Okay. Please do let me know everyone answer fast. This is the question based on the absolute refractive index. I have given you the hint first. Now tell me. Okay, Maha. Galvin, Harshit, Gianna. So why did you switch off the camera, everyone? Harshit, Ibad, Gianna. Like Faizan is
So I've been
busy.
It keeps on disconnecting.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Fast. 15th one, everyone.
sir, I've
Okay,
given you.
Galvin. Okay, Harshit. Okay, Ayan. Sure. ठीक. Okay, everyone. So let's look at the question. the refractive index of a material is always greater than 1. It is true because if it's 1, so it will be not changing the speed because the refractive index of air is 1, right? So like this air is a kind of gas. So it means that obviously other materials that is present apart from air will be more denser than air. It means that a great refractive index would be greater than 1. And the question is saying that speed of light in any material is less than the speed of light in vacuum. That is also true because n is equals to c by v. The fastest the light can travel in the air or vacuum, right? So you see this thing that this is smaller. It means that the value of this ratio would be greater than 1. Yes or no? Because if we are dividing the speed of light with a small, basically smaller value, so it will be always greater than 1. Everyone, yes or no? Right?
Yes.
So it
Yes.
means that it is satisfying, or basically it is giving the explanation for why it is greater than 1. So it means that option A is correct. Okay, got it, everyone? I have given you the
Yeah.
hint that it is absolute refractive index. So n is equals to c by v. So c is the speed of light in vacuum, v is the speed of light in that medium. So if you divide them, it is always greater than 1. So that's why the refractive index of any material is greater than 1. Am I clear to all of you, everyone?
Yeah.
12. Next one, 16th one, fast. The total internal reflection. No need to do this question because this is not a part of your syllabus. Because internal reflection and total internal reflection is not there, so no need to do this question. This one, 17th one. Fast, 17th. It's so easy. Okay, Ayan. ठीक है. Maha, Bad, Harshit, Jiana, Faizan, Galvin. Okay, ma'am. Let's see. The image formed by a convex lens can be real or virtual. Yeah, both are true because when the object is placed between optical center and focus, the image could be virtual. But apart from that, Maha, no need to change the answer. Yeah, I know you got there. That's why I was continuously saying, please read these statements carefully. Okay? Sometimes happen, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so it could be virtual. Apart from that, all the images formed by the convex mirror, a convex lens is real, right? A convex lens is a diverging lens. That is false. Convex lens is a converging lens. It converges the light rays to the focus. Okay, so that's why option C is correct. A is true, but R is false. Next one. Convex mirror are used in the vehicles as rear view mirrors. A convex mirror always form a virtual and diminished image. Please do let me know. Past 18th one. Okay. Okay, Maha. Harshit. Okay, Galvin. Okay, Gianna. Faizan, Ibad. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So convex mirror are used as rear view mirror. So assertion is right. A convex mirror always forms a virtual and diminished image. That is also true. And this is the reason that's why we use them as a rear view mirror, because it basically covers a larger area, but it gives you a virtual and diminished image. That's why it is A. Am I clear to all of you? So everybody said A. But Calvin said C. Harshit said B. I've just
No, sir, it
explained
was just
in.
a, sir, it was just a misprint. I was tapping on the A first.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं हर्षित, कोई बात
Honestly, sir, honestly, I'm saying.
कोई बात नहीं, no worries, no worries, कोई बात. Sometimes okay, no issue. Next one, 19th one. Please do let me know everyone. 19th one. Okay, Maha, Ayan, Faizan, Ibad, Gianna, Harshit, Galvin. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's. Faizan, any answer? Have you given the answer, Faizan? Ibad?
Sir, I don't know
No.
this.
Ibad, what's your answer? Okay.
I don't know.
Don't know. Chalo, कोई बात नहीं. Concave mirror are used in shaving mirror. That is true. Next reason, let's see the reason. A concave mirror forms an enlarged and erect image when the object is close to it. That is also true. And that is the reason we use the concave mirror as shaving mirror. So option A is right. Because we just wanted to see whether the shave is correct or not. When we are doing the shave, the basically men. So we see this thing that whether the shave is clean or not. Okay. Right. So any like hair left on the face. So that's why the reason to use the concave mirror as shaving mirror is this. Okay. So it is both A and R are true, and the R is the correct explanation for the A. Okay. 20th one, everyone, fast. 20th one. Okay, Maha, Galvin, Harshit, Gianna, Fezan, Ibad, Ayan. Okay. Okay. Fezan and Ibad, Harshit. Achha, Harshit given the answer. Check. Ayan, ठीक है, Ayan also gave the answer. Ibad, okay. Fezan, what's your answer? Now let's discuss. When the light passes from air to water, its speed decreases. Obviously, that's why we see. That's why we observe. Basically, observe refraction. Right. Next is water is optically denser than air. So that is the reason, because water is optically denser than air. That's why the speed of light decreases due to the higher refractive index. So both are right, and basically the reason is also the correct explanation for the A. Okay. So that is why option A is right. Please do let me know, everyone. Is it clear to all of you or
Yes.
not? Harshit, Galvin, Maha, Gianna, Ibad, Faizan, and
Yes.
Maha. Ayan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So please do let me know again. Any doubt so far in the in the questions or in the theory or something like that? So that's why it's very, very important, everyone, to revise the theory, because these are the questions based on the theory only, pure theory. If you understand the theory properly, if you basically know how to modify it, how to basically think the outcomes, different outcomes of the theory, then you will be able to answer the assertion and reason. Otherwise, you will get tricked. That's why they basically place 3 questions in the last assertion reason questions, or maybe 5, 3 or 5. This is the number that is there. It seems like I've seen that like some of the students are still having difficulty in the light chapter theory portion. So what you can do is that watch out the recordings again, revise the notes again. Okay, that would help you. Okay, on a regular basis. Because right now, if you are finding difficulty in the light chapter after revision, after the multiple revision test, it means that you have not basically completed the light chapter properly in the if basically in the context of basically theory and numerical, right? So you have to understand and you have to think the multiple outcomes of each and every scenario. That's you. Then you will be able to solve the assertion and reason. Am I clear to all of you? Harshit, Galvin, Maha, Jiana, Ibad, and Faizan. Ayan.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the questions that you can. I will be sharing